Alright, we're back in the saddle with another thrilling car review. Now, I have to say this. The Mazda CX-8 has always stood out for its premium feel and family-friendly design. Now, the 2026 model takes things even further with bold styling, upgraded tech, and a refined performance. But does the new CX-8 truly deliver on all fronts? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about what everyone loves. The exterior design. The Mazda CX-8 has always had good looks, but this year they're turning up the heat. The front of the car has a bold new grille and a sleek new bumper. And when you look from the side, you can see how the lines of the car flow and connect, giving it a really cool and sporty look. Out here on the open road, the CX-8 looks amazing. It's got a powerful stance, a long hood, and a sculpted look that sets it apart from other SUVs out there. The new 20-inch wheels fill out the wheel wells nicely and add to the overall sporty vibe. This car isn't just about looks, though. It's also got some cool new tech and safety features that I'm excited to check out. Now, one thing that hasn't changed is the price. The CX-8 is still a great value for the money. But with all the new updates, will the car still hold its resale value well? That's something to think about. Alright, now let's move inside and check out the cabin of this beauty. The interior of the CX-8 is where things get really interesting. You step inside and you're greeted with this beautiful, handcrafted interior. There is a mix of high-quality materials like Napa leather and real wood trim that give the cabin a really premium feel. The seats are super comfortable and supportive, and the steering wheel is wrapped in this soft leather that feels great in your hands. One of the best things about the interior is the way it's designed. It's simple and uncluttered with clean lines and elegant curves. The center console is a nice place to rest your arm, and the climate controls are easy to reach. One cool feature that I found was the head-up display. It is not something you get in every car, and it is really helpful because it keeps your eyes on the road. It shows you important info like your speed and fuel level without you having to look down at the dashboard. And let's not forget about the Bose sound system. It's top-notch and fills the cabin with amazing sound. Whether you're listening to music or watching a movie, the sound is crisp and clear. The CX-8 also comes with a ton of cool technology features that make driving more enjoyable. The infotainment system is super responsive and easy to use. The Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration is seamless, and the navigation system is spot on. Oh, and did I mention that the USB ports are convenient located, and there are plenty of them so you can charge all your devices at once. Overall, the interior of the CX-8 is a really special place. It's where luxury meets comfort and technology. It is designed for people who appreciate the finer things in life, but still want to enjoy the ride. Next up, let's talk about the performance of this beast. Now, let's talk about the fuel economy. The CX-8 is pretty impressive when it comes to gas mileage. It gets an estimated 22 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. Not bad for a powerful SUV like this one. When it comes to safety, the CX-8 has you covered. It comes with a ton of advanced safety features that help protect you and your passengers in an accident. These features include a strong steel body, multiple airbags, a rear-view camera, and a blind spot monitoring system. The CX-8 has also been tested and rated by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. And it has a reputation for being a safe and reliable vehicle. So, is the Mazda CX-8 2026 worth it? Well, if you're looking for a stylish, safe and fun-to-drive SUV with a handcrafted interior and a powerful engine, then the answer is yes. The CX-8 ticks all the boxes, and it's a great value for the money. Well, folks, that wraps up our review of the 2026 Mazda CX-8. What do you think about this car? Would you buy it? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.